Should I film what I eat? I don't know. Traditional Polish food.
Dude, you are asking viewers if you should film what you eat. That's not how you should start a video. Drone shots, that's better. Today I want to just test the Apple Watch as a microphone. Thought about buying wireless microphone, but I don't know, they're pretty expensive. Pretty nice drone shots. Flying in winter is such a different experience. If you don't have a drone, buy it. It's so fun, but you need to force yourself to use it. Don't think that those are clouds. Those are just like air poisoning, or how to say that. I mean, it's better. A couple years ago, it was much worse. I think air pollution, that's the word to use it. No, it's unfortunate. That looks horrible. Imagine living there and you breathe this all the time. I'm lucky that I live a little bit above it. I want to test something. Now I'm gonna talk to my Apple Watch, and that's maybe my wireless mic. I forgot about it. I'm gonna have to later connect the files. That's gonna take me a lot of, but I'm gonna save money. So we will see about the sound quality. We will see later. Dangerous could be for your health. Let's go up and check out ski slope. And cannot wait to see how good is the mic quality of this Iron Man. Roger that. Hello. Imagine an iPhone could automatically sync mic from the Apple Watch. Best Bluetooth mic. Because you have to talk to your wrist. That's the future. Nice B-roll, but no one cares. Yeah, I think I found my perfect job. I'm gonna visit the ski slope. My dream job will be just filming for them like an ad. Okay, even TikTok. My drone with my professional camera that I'm gonna buy maybe someday. It's nice to have dreams. I don't think I'm such an amazing filmmaker because I'm not. That's why I want to film something every single day. Consistency. Looking to my watch. Next test. How big I'm gonna look like crazy talking to my watch. Let me, for example, do maybe this. Oh, even if it still records, but it's locked. If this is gonna work, I mean, I'm going to spend a lot of time connecting the files, but it's fine. I want to buy what kind of camera? Sony A7 IV, A7S III. I don't know. There's so many of Sony cameras. I don't know, Canon. No one is really using Canon. I hope it's going to work. Let's view this. What I want to say? Let's fly a drone. Let's check that out. Whoa. It works. Now I'm laying in my bed editing this. Thoughts about microphone. It's not bad. It's actually very good, very usable. I need to force myself to use maybe this Apple Watch more and go more far away from camera. That could be a nice option. There's so many possibilities because I want to make videos every single day and I just want to make it simple as possible, and it takes a little bit of time to synchronize the mics, but I think I'm gonna use it more. Thought about buying DJI wireless mics, so I'm gonna wait for maybe some kind of sale on good wireless mics, or just use my Apple Watch to work harder on those videos. That's a ski slope next to my home. I'm scared of, to be honest, I'm not really fan of skiing, snowboard, because I know how easily you can injure yourself. It's fun, but you go up for a long time to just slide down for a couple of seconds, minutes. Just the ratio between how dangerous it is and how much fun gives you, just not for me. Okay, let's go back to me talking in real life, enough with voiceover. I'm gonna edit this for hours. Let's go back to real life Przemek. Not bad. Time to recharge. Top of the mountain there is a cross that lights up. They are saving money but not buying wireless microphone. I shouldn't bought Apple Watch at the first place. I don't know why I bought it. I'm broke. I have to use it like a camera. Yeah, like a camera monitor. But it works, sometimes doesn't. Let's go! I'm saying something, that's my hand. Please, quality be nice. But now I'm gonna have to change my mindset to talk to my watch. I almost bought DJI Mic the basic version. They are out of stock. That's a sign that DJI Mic version 2 soon. What do you think about Skechers? I love this shoe. They look amazing. Skechers could be the one sponsor that I could have. We have in Krakow outlet of Skechers and I always go there. My review of Skechers shoe is horrible, but it gets some views. A lot of drone shots, I know. I have nothing better to do. Sometimes I like to recommend something, but this time it's if you're into business, companies, money, listening to really interesting, smart people. That's the podcast interview with a really smart woman. This conversation, it's amazing. That's why you can watch some stupid drama on YouTube, or you can watch this video and get inspired. The same with Samsung. Okay, that's a long rant, but I want to go to gym so bad. I ordered the most purchased tripod for a phone on Amazon. I'm gonna get it Tuesday. Let me show you my favorite snack, which is Greek yogurt, homemade raspberry juice. I love this. Last test. I'm talking to my Apple Watch. Camera is opposite side of my room. How is the sound? Should I go to club or no? See you tomorrow. Hey, I'm gonna edit. See you tomorrow. Hey, I'm gonna edit.